If you're using Monetag or Adsterra or a digital product marketer who actually need traffic in order for you to gain or boost your revenue, then this video is actually going to help you to show you 5 proven free traffic sources, which is actually going to help you boost your revenue every single time. And the last one I'm about to show you is going to shock you. Now, the first one here is the first one. It is the LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is one of the underrated source of traffic that a lot of people don't know how to get traffic from. Now, I'm actually going to show you some strategy on LinkedIn where you can get a lot of traffic right here. Now, as you can see, this is just basically like Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media that we've gotten out there. Now, it's very simple. Go ahead and create an account for yourself. Just visit linkedin.com, create an account for yourself, which is very simple, of course, for you to do that. Now, once you get there, what you need to do is just locate your profile here. Now, this is my profile at this session here. Now, once you're done, come to the session up here. All right, come to the top right here. Now, you can see it says start a post. Now, what you're actually going to do is you're going to drive traffic right from LinkedIn into your landing page or wherever you are actually promoting your traffic. So, either you're using Monetag, Adsterra, or you actually have a blogging page where you actually want to direct people right directly from this session to your landing page. I'm actually going to show you everything. Now, click on where it says start a post. Now, where it's actually going to tell you to start a post is this session. What you need to do is just write about everything we're going to do here. But this side of this session is not actually going to give you a high traffic, or it's going to take your post into a viral. It's actually going to just post it raw for you without getting a lot of reactions to it. So I'm going to show you simple or different strategy. So come to this section which says write an article. Now, once you click on write an article, it's going to take you to this session right here to say hello to smoother editing and publishing experience. So once you need to just click on get started. Now, if you're using a mobile device, you're not going to get that option which says what it does previously, which is write an article. So if you're using a mobile phone, what you need to do is come to the three dot on your right phone at this session. I'm using a laptop, and just scroll through. You might get to see some sessions which have been labeled as switch to desktop site or switch to desktop mode, right? So click on that, and it's going to take you to that session where you get to find a desktop mode to get to this session here, right? If you don't follow that, you might get the concept on the mobile device, right? Now, what you need to do, just come to this session which says write a title. Now, the title is basically about what you want to post on LinkedIn, where you get people reaction, then you drive them directly from LinkedIn to your landing page or your external wallet or external links out there. So in this case, let's say I'm going to use Blogger here. I have Blogger here as my landing page. For this particular video, maybe you might have a different landing page, or you might design your Blogger in such a better way. So this say I want to how to earn $1,000 from blogging in 2026 full guide, right? So let's say this is my title here. I'll go ahead and copy the title. All right, copy the title here and just get to LinkedIn. Now, once I get to LinkedIn, I'll go ahead and paste in the link at this session here. Now, you can decide to select this particular title here, all right, and make it something like, give it a different style or heading style so it could look good and better, right? All right, good. So you can also make it bold as well. So let's say I want to make it bold. I want to increase the size of it and everything. You can do everything right here on the platform, right? Good. Now, this is for you. Now, what you need to do is just go ahead and write something beneath it, right? Something beneath what you've actually write or what you've actually created. So that what you actually write is depends on use that like people are going to see it very catchy. People are going to read and get to know that what you're writing makes sense, right? So what you need to do is come to your post and let's say blogging isn't bad. What is dead is lazy blogging. Copy and paste that of that. So what you need is just write something here. So let's say I would like to go ahead and copy the whole of this session of my work, right? So let's say I'll go ahead and copy the whole of this session of my work and just come to LinkedIn and just go ahead and copy everything at this session right here. All right. So I'll copy everything right session right here. Right. So this is what I have right here. Good. So how to earn $1,000 from blogging in 2026 full guide. This is how you are actually driving traffic to our landing page or our external wallet. So take note of that. Now let's break it down, right? So let's say you have this simple strategy right here. Let's break it down is actually saying something which is actually going to let the person click on let's break this down. So let's break this down. You can actually write let's break this down. So click here. Let's say click here, click here, click here. All right, so let's say you're gonna write click here. So let me leave a space here so it shouldn't look something like a clickable link for some different thing. All right, so let's say click here. All right, so this is what you actually can either give it any format. Either you want to, let's say, either I want to okay, so let me highlight it. So either I want to make it bold, either I want to make it italic. That depends on you, right? So what you need to do is just go ahead and highlight this same thing and just click on this particular icon here, which is add link. Now what you need to do here is to add your link, right? Add your landing page link, your landing page link. Make sure to get your landing page link. So let's say this is my landing page link. Let me just copy it directly right here, get linked in. All right, so let me copy it. All right, let me highlight it again. And just click on the link aspect. All right, so let me just copy my link here, click on apply. Right, this means I've embedded in my link for people to land a page directly right there. So let me just do this right here. You can actually say add a cover image or video to an article. So what you need to just click on upload from computer. So I already have this particular image here. All right, so I already have this particular image here, and then I'll click on next button. All right, so this is what I actually have right here. So let me try to zoom out for you guys to see whatever I'm doing right here. All right, so this is what I have right here. So how to earn $1,000 from blogging in 2026, full guide, lot of that. So let's say click here. All right, so this is what I have right here on my screen. So how to have a particular image which is actually going to show. So the next thing I'm going to do here is just click on next. All right, now once you click on it, a title is required to push your article. All right, so let's say this is I haven't still provided my title properly. So let me see, let me cut this from here and put it at this section here. All right, good. So this is what I have right here. This is how to end out of that. So you can even highlight the whole of this title, here, and just still embed in your link. All right, which is actually going to make it something better for you, something good for you. And click on apply. All right, so it says we can't do that. So what you need, just click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to preview your work for you to see how it is actually going to look. So how to earn $1,000 from blogging in 2026 full guide. Click on publish, and once you click on publish, that is all. Your work will be published for you. So you can see congratulations on publishing your latest article. So you can do this for a week or a 2 weeks time and get to see the reaction or the kind of traffic which will be directed to your Adsterra or Monetag link once you embed it. But make sure not to embed in your raw link here because it might seem as a spam here if you're using Monetag or direct link. Whatever be the case, if you're using blogging.com, you can actually send your links there to blogging. So once people start reading your article, you'll be sending traffic right to your work. This is one of the strategies I'm actually going to share you. Now, in order for you to proceed, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, which is Mr. Henry. It keeps me moving every single time. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell in order for you to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing videos like this. Check under the description of this particular video. TikTok, WhatsApp, and Telegram link can be found there. Go ahead and join me as I post every single day. Now, the next one I'm actually going to share with you is this particular traffic source, which is NewsBreak. Now, NewsBreak is one of the best and underrated source of traffic like people don't even get eyes on. Now, you can see this particular reaction here. It got 39 comments here. This got 740 comments, 1K comments, 56 comments, a lot of comments right here. Now, what you need to do is just sign in button or sign up button right here to get your account secure as perfectly as that. Now, once you're done, you can customize your news as well. So you can start creating your news, creating your articles every single time. So whatever you post on LinkedIn, you can do same to NewsBreak so that you can get a good reaction. Maybe if one is not working, the other one is actually going to work. And the next interesting one I'm actually going to talk about is this particular website called Flipboard. Now, Flipboard is one of the profitable way, trust me, you can earn a lot of traffic from. Now, you can sign in as a publisher to start publishing your articles, to start publishing your content, to start publishing whatever you publish there to get traffic to your landing page. Trust me, once you publish and get to the threshold, you can actually create or apply for a creator, which means you can create for creator programs to get paid on this same platform to us or whilst driving traffic. So what you do is just click on try Flipboard, and then it's going to get you started or to sign up an account for free without paying for anything and start sending in or publishing in your articles or your account or your whatever you want to put out there. Now the next one I'm going to take you to is what we call the Scoop.it. Now Scoop.it was better, but it's very difficult for you to enter, but trust me, it's one of the best way. Now what you do is just click on accept all and just go ahead and upload in your full name, your email, your password, your profile picture, and then the option here, which is for content or whatever. Click on that. I am a human or that, whatever. Just click on sign up button and just go ahead and start up an account right from there. And you're actually going to love Scoop.it. And the last one I'm actually going to introduce to you, which is one of the profitable and the one I actually love, is what we call the Dailymotion. Now, I believe most of you guys have heard about Dailymotion. It's common on mobile device and whatever. All right. So go ahead to your App Store, Play Store, download Dailymotion, which is one of the profitable sources. Just don't look at what you're doing. Just start posting every single day. Forget about the numbers. People are seeing whatever you are doing. Forget about numbers. People are seeing. So come to Dailymotion, create an account for yourself. I can log in my account and check it out. But create an account in for yourself. Start posting every single day, whatever you're doing. If you're writing blogs, start doing that. Start creating something on this particular page and drive traffic to your landing pages. All right. So this is one of the easiest way you can actually drive traffic right directly into your account. But make sure not to post in your direct link from Monetag or Adsterra or Propeller Ad or Hilltop Ad raw on these particular platforms. Just get a landing page, direct them to there, so that the next time you start sending traffic there, they will get to know that you are publishing something on your landing page. Now, if you don't have a landing page, I recommend the blogger.com for you if you're actually using it for your Monetag or Adsterra. But if you're into blogging, there is a way for you to get a perfect blogging account or landing page for yourself. So visit this particular website here I've given to you right now and start driving traffic into your blogging.com. Just as I said, check under the description the link to my Telegram, WhatsApp can be found there. Join me out there, and also don't forget to hit on the subscription button to get subscribed to this particular YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Yeah.